And this is where self-certainty begins. Subjectivity is only possible through objectivity, and objectivity is only possible through subjectivity, as we have talked about earlier. And in one of the most famous passages of the Phenomenology of Spirit, known as the Lordship and Bondage section, but is more commonly referred to as the master-slave dialectic, Hegel demonstrates that a master relies on their slave equally as much as the slave relies on them. So, for example, the slave is only able to have food and shelter because of the master, and the master is only able to provide that food and shelter for both the slave and himself because of the slave's work. So there is a sort of codependence between the master and the slave. And in another version of the lordship and bondage dialectic, a master is about to kill a person, but chooses instead to enslave the person for their mutual benefit. And this mutual benefit is what Hegel calls the origin of self consciousness, where a person is only able to know and be certain of themselves through an other, and the other is the slave or the master or any individual or group of individuals external to yourself. And in the picture, you can see how two people acknowledge each other's existences and seek recognition from each other for their existences. And for Hegel, this is what he calls self-recognition for the other, which is where self-consciousness lies and where consciousness ends. So previously we were only talking about consciousness, but self-consciousness is where a conscious being is conscious of themselves or perceives themselves, and this perception is only possible through the lens of an other. So your identity is only possible by imagining what you are to other people and how that leads to your own self-image. So what you understand as yourself is really what you understand as how others understand you. And this is why societies exist, so that individuals can seek validation from another in order to recognize and actualize their own self-consciousnesses. However, for this actualization to be maintained and the order of different self recognitions to be continued, we need something called reason.